Hello everyone, do you want to speak English? Do you understand English but cannot speak English? You speak English but you feel shy? Yes, today I will share in this video how to improve and how to remove this fear while speaking English. And English is not tough language. English is not talent. English is a skill. English is a practice by which you can improve a lot. So how can we speak English fluently, and what is the method by which you can speak English confidently in front of mirror? Yes, you have to start small sentences, because small sentences make a foundation. Foundation is very important. For example, nobody can perfect in this era. Nobody can not focus to perfection. Only focus to perfect. Practice every day. Okay, so let's give me an example. The little baby while walk, but does he not fail? Of course, he fails so many times. After that, doing again and again, he walks. Same things apply in English. You think I watch one video, after that I can speak English fluently? It cannot be possible. But possible if you want to speak English and do regular practice, exercise. You should do everything. Little practice, little sentences, little plan, little goals you have to make, by which you can speak English. But you have to do practice every day without any single gap. Yes, let's talk about my previous part. I could not have any idea. I did not know how to speak English. I am very shy person. I cannot speak English. I cannot be face camera. I am very confused. How so many times, 100 times I search in Google how to speak English, but I did not have any idea. But I have wrote down so many things. Then I have follow one method by which I can speak English, because I have a fear to speak English in front of camera. But what did I do? I will tell you, but you have to watch this video till the end. It is very important for you if you want to speak English fluently. So you have to watch this video till the end. Today I will tell you a magical tip by which you can speak English fluently in front of camera. Yes, you have to start reading. Yes, reading is very important. If you want to speak English fluently and you don't have thoughts, you don't have idea, you don't have much vocabulary, so you have to read, by which you can improve a lot. If you reading any book, so many structure you find out, so many vocabulary you find out, and wrote down in diary and repeat again and again in your conversation. Yes, it helps a lot. Reading. Second thing, listening. Yes, you heard right. If you want to speak English and any rhythm, so you have to speak some podcast, kids video, by which you have to imitate, copy these pupil, so you understand something, you speak something that time. So your subconscious mind is working, your body is working, your mind is also reading something, it is very important for you. So you have to start something, podcast, movies, anything you have to listen. And third thing, yes, third thing is very very important. Speaking. Speaking is very important because so many have a lot of knowledge, lot of thought, lot of idea, but he did not have how to speak because they do not practice more. So you have to practice more speaking. Yes, speaking is also important to do anything. Yes, by which you can speaking in front of camera, in front of mobile, so by which you boost your confidence level goes up. After that you see your confidence is power by which you can speak so many things, and you can, or we can say, share your thought in front of people, in front of camera. It is very important. So three things I will tell you, reminder you. First, you have to learning. Second, listening. And third, reading. Yes, you can follow. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, because I am also learning this language. So I share all experience, all my thought process, all everything I will share with you. So okay,